Okay, so we've got a 2019 built, 2020 Complied Suzuki Jimny, manual 3-door wagon in a nice electric blue. It is the all grip 4x4 manual, and it's only travelled 11,000 kilometres, very low Ks. Presents in as new condition as you would expect. Looks like it's got the radar cruise there as well. Alloy wheels, tinted windows, just a beautiful car. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got cruise control on the steering wheel there, radio controls, there's your dash there, 11,000 Ks, big colour screen, climate air conditioning, power windows. It is a 5-speed manual, and there's your off-road mode there. Interior seat trim, pretty much like brand new. It does have side airbags as well. There's your front passenger, there's your 2 seats in the back. I'll just show you inside the boot as well. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.